Hi guys, ever had a problem with the locking wheel nuts? This one on this Citroen is sheared off and the two little pips are all butchered and the locking key didn't fit, so I've just made up this little device here, turned it up into the lathe. I'm hoping to be able to just push that onto the nut. I've got two holes there which are 1/4 inch drilled, and I've put a little hole through there to make a Tommy bar shaft, and I've got some flats on there so I can undo it with a big flat adjustable spanner. And what we do is put that there in the appropriate position, put a couple of little engineer's clamps on this bit here. It's a bit fiddly, but I think there's a way of doing everything, isn't there? So we'll put that clamp on there, and we'll put that clamp on there just to hold that steady. That's just to hold that little unit in there. 1/4 inch drill. Right, that's that. Clamp fell off, but never mind. And hopefully I'm going to cut two little bits of silver steel, pop them in there. They should be now locating the new holes I've drilled, and then undo it. Show you in a minute. Right, just to follow up, I've got the extractor tool in there. I've made two little silver steel pins which have got really sharp ends on them. In other words, I cut off nice and square, and they've just located the two new sort of pimple holes that I've made. I've just put a big adjustable spanner on there. I'm just going to try and push that in while I press down. Hey presto. We're in business. There we go. Look at that, hey? The result. There we go, look at that. So there it is, simply two little pins that come through and press into the two new holes. So we'll ditch these locking nuts, nothing but a pain in the arse, and put some real nuts on. There we go. Hope that helps.